Jihae watches her grandmother going into the water. She wears a black rubber suit. She has goggles over her eyes to keep out the water. She has big fins on her feet to help her swim fast. She has a belt with heavy weights on it. The belt helps her to get down to the bottom of the sea. She carries a big float with a net that she can put things in. Jihae watches her grandmother swim far out to sea. She goes out when the moon says that the tide is right. She swims far out to sea. There is more seaweed and there are more fish far out at sea. Jihae can see her grandmother's head going up and down in the water as she swims. When she gets to the right place, she ties her float. She dives down into the water. Jihae cannot see her grandmother while she is under the water. Every time this happens, Jihae worries a little. But when her grandmother comes back up, she can see her again. Jihae waves, but no one ever waves back. The divers are too busy and too far away. Jihae dreams that one day she will be a diver like her grandmother. But her mother always says that being a diver is too hard. She wants Jihae to study so that she can have a better job. She says that her grandmother has worked hard so that Jihae will not have to work so hard.